Hello viewer, this time I show you how to check your alternator the fastest way, quick and easy. But before you can do this, you have to watch my previous video because my old videos tell you to check the 3 things to avoid any problem. Okay, this time I'll show you how to check your alternator. First, I'm gonna start the car. See the car is running? Take a look at this. I'm gonna check the alternator without a multimeter. Just use a wrench to loosen up the terminal of the negative pole of the battery. If you leave the terminal of the negative pole of the battery and you notice the car is still running, it means the alternator is okay. But if the engine dies, it means your alternator needs to be repaired or replaced. Did you see that? The motor died. It means your alternator is not charging. You see what happened? I removed the negative side of the battery and the motor died. It means the alternator is kaput. She's not charging your system. Without the alternator, your car is not functioning properly. It means the battery gonna go dead. So that's why I did that for you guys, because I love my viewer. See my heart so big? Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.